South Mogirango. South Mogirango. Unaona wale watu ambao wananipigia makelele? Unaona wale watu wananipigia makelele? In South Mogirango we have never had, I'm just talking. In South Mogirango we have never had delegate meeting. So please listen to our grievances. Listen to them very carefully. Like I want to start, I'm a commissioner, but I want to be a member of the party in the grassroots. I don't want to resign. In Tanzania, people don't resign. In South Africa, people don't resign from positions. Another thing that has been paining me, as a party, you are not taking care of us. The president cannot know everything. Nyarangi has a job and he was in ODM. When Momanyi does not have a job, na yeye alianza UDA. Momanyi, who is the founder of the UDA, lakini Nyarangi yako na kazi, na huyu hana kazi. Sasa sisi, mimi na huyu, unaona watu wawili tumbo kubwa. Matiang'i alitufunga 48 hours, same cell. Tunapumuana, anafanya nini? Sasa nyinyi mmetusahau. Another thing that made me to stand, and I'm happy our sister said about consensus. Waambia wajumbe, sisi tumedecide chairman yetu ni Honorable Manoti Kisii County. Yes. Wasituambie maneno mengine. We know, and I'm saying this, Manoti is very committed with the party matters. Manoti can cut across to the young people, to people with the big stomach, to the old people. Manoti has resources. Na ukopingi. Yes. Sasa sisi msituambie mtu mwingine. Unatuambia juu ya Chief Whip. Chief Whip hatujai kumuona. Hakuja hata katika mkutano kama hii. Alafu South Mogirango. Unaona wale watu ambao wananipigia makelele? In South Mogirango we have never had, I'm just talking. In South Mogirango we have never had delegate meeting.